Do you want to do this for Christmas too?
Yeah. But make them like put green and red on them.
Sprinkles?
Yeah. But melt them up, then do this. What does green and red make?
Green and red kind of makes an ugly color, like a brownie, gross.
Then we're not going to make them go together. Need some help with me.
So good. Olive, let's switch spots. You go on my side, I'll go over here.
Whoa, Mom.
Whoa, that's right.
Mama, I'm trying to make a drizzly face.
Keep your drizzly face out. Nope, go nice and high, see? So it spreads it everywhere, Violet. And then, yep. Nope, nice.
It's okay if it gets on the paper, right?
It's okay if it gets on the paper.
Mama, can I do this?
Nope, you gotta go nice and high.
Oh, Mom, this one has a...
So you need to start doing it all over like this so it doesn't get one big clump. Yep.
Is that okay if that one has one big clump?
It is okay.
Yeah.
But you gotta keep now trying to spread it all over.
They're gonna be so surprised how we made it. Or they think we bought it.